quick screencast on using code.org, this time for 4th and 5th grade and 3rd grade teachers. So with 4th and 5th, I wanted to start with Hour of Code. So I am going to go back really quickly. So this is the code.org homepage. So we go to code.org, and I put the bookmark on my, push that out to everybody. So then I scroll down, here's Hour of Code, and here's the Code Studio. So for Hour of Code, it comes here, and then there will be the certain ones that, so I let the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders pick Minecraft, Moana, Star Wars. What I have been starting with the 4th and 5th grade is I require them first to start with Star Wars, and then have them do the JavaScript version, the ones that did code.org last year, because I want them to start transitioning into JavaScript, because that's what they'll be doing in the middle schools, and our 5th graders go to middle school in 6th grade. So at least with 5th grade they start with that. So I'm going to go click up here, and this will take me back to my last page where I was. Oh no, it's taking me home this time. So I'm going to click on Hour of Code again. So this is where the kiddos will find the different activities. And what I did on the multimedia text set is just pick one so that kids aren't overwhelmed with all the choices. Because if you look, there are many, 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 many choices for the kiddos to do with coding. So you have tons of coding options for many years. So I'm going to click here and go back to the home page. And then I'm going to go show you the Code Studio and the courses. So I'm going to click on Students. And with the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, Course 2 is a little bit challenging for 3rd, but I think it's, if they've done it before. If they haven't done it before, then I put the 3rd graders in Course 1. But graph paper programming, the unplugged activities are on paper, so you can print them out and have them do that. So I'm going to show you the first graphing. So this one is challenging. The kiddos have to figure out what this code means and find which code matches this. And I tell the teachers that I'm in there, and I tell the kiddos, you know what, we don't know how to do this, you need to figure it out, and you need to help each other, and we make them struggle through. So that's fun to watch, because it's interesting to see what different kiddos do. So that's the stage 1. Stage 2 is shapes, and which algorithm to build the shape. And it's fun to watch the kids. It's challenging. And then stage 3 is a Angry Birds sequence.
Usually programming is all intent.
And so you can see that this one has the words rather than the arrows. So that's the difference between Course 2 and Course 1. And then Artist Sequence, this is one of my favorites, but it's challenging, and it shows angles. And so I love this because it's a real life application for learning at angles, and the kids figure it out. And again, I tell the teachers, let's not help them, let's let them struggle and figure out, and they can make a choice, and then they see, and then they make more choices and read and fix. So it's one time where the kids will struggle and persevere, you know, unlike a tricky math problem or something like that. So that's my quick, and again, really quickly, this has 19 stages. So you could use this coursework all year long. And then you need to decide as 3rd, 4th, 5th what courses, and as you do coding more and more, then the kids' skill level is going to be different, and then it sort of tweaks and changes every year. Thanks for listening.